a lot of people ask me this question. If they speak more slowly when talking to second language speakers, how can they keep from sounding condescending? I'm Mike Wilder, and I help leaders and supervisors communicate successfully with multilingual teams and clients. It's a great question, but actually the wrong approach. Don't try to speak more slowly. Try to speak more clearly. Let me ask you this. Am I speaking very slowly now? Not particularly. What I am doing is saying the words individually instead of letting them all run together. We are able to accommodate your request is condescending. We are able to accommodate your request has clarity. And we're able to accommodate your request is incomprehensible. To L2 speakers, it sounds like the whole sentence is just one long, huge word. Did you get it? No. Did you get it? Just say the words, and it will slow you down naturally. It takes focus and some practice, but it succeeds. And yes, there is more to it than that, but help is coming. Follow me for more. And if you have a question about managing your multilingual team, put it in the comments, and I'll try to get it into a post. Have a great day.